name is Bonny and I'm from Calgary. So I think I've always had a sore, stiff neck, probably for about 15 years. Could have been a cumulative effect from 5 car accidents I had in my 20s. And I just feel like I've always, throughout the day, just had to grab my neck and rub it and stretch it, and I've always just felt like I'm battling that, occasionally having to go for massages to loosen things up on a particularly tight day. Recently, after the birth of my child, I was having a neck that actually felt like it was so limited in the range of motion. I couldn't turn it. I was back to work full time and just living with it, and some days were really bad. It led me to go find a physiotherapist because massage wasn't helping anymore. I was at work and my arms started going numb. And so my doctor ordered an MRI, and it turns out I had discs at multiple levels that I was not aware of. I was totally in shock that that was actually my neck.
Right.
So with the numbness, I just thought I have to do something else. Here I am with a toddler. We wanted to try for another child. Am I going to end up needing neck surgery? So that was very scary. I probably had a severe neck pain for about 6 months. Well, a coworker had recommended you, and initially I said, I will never see a chiropractor, because in my line of work I had imaged patients who had had severe side effects from neck manipulations, and I wasn't aware of how NUCCA was different. So prior to coming to see you, I looked at some YouTube videos about what NUCCA was, read some information on the internet, and felt more comfortable hearing that this was something that was going to be more gentle and precise and not just cracking necks. Well, initially, I really felt nothing. There was no pain involved. And throughout the few days afterwards, I started feeling some of my arm numbness go away, and I would have some little creaks and cracks in my neck throughout the day, but nothing painful. And then I just started to almost forget that I had neck issues throughout the day. I mean, it's amazing. We can start thinking about having another child. I know that I'm going to be able to pick up my toddler. I'm going to be able to hold a new baby. All of that involves in my daily life, as well as working full time. I'm lifting patients at work. I mean, this is something that I feel like I'm not going to be restricted. I'm not going to be suffering to get through my day. I'm going to be able to continue in my regular activities. I've already recommended you to a few people at work, including some of the doctors that I work with. And I've just explained to them that it's very precise. There's x-rays taken. I've seen what my x-rays look like before and after, and how this is something that's targeted to you. If you need this adjustment to get your head on straight like I did, then this is something that afterwards, like you said to me, that anatomy dictates function, and I know what it's like to live with a non-functioning neck, and now with the correction I can tell how different it feels to go through life with a straight neck. And a lot of my coworkers even seen how I was before to how I am now. That's a testimonial itself, but I've said go online, do some research, go see Dr. Hunter.
Thank you so much.